What's up guys, it's me Geek. Make sure to check out the links in the description box below. So I wanna talk about the memory. This comes with a 4 GB of RAM, but how to check the memory of it? Go to the setting. Once you at the setting, click the device maintenance and click the memory. There's a difference between storage and memory. Storage is the internal storage, memory is the RAM. So here we go with the RAM. Let me clean up some RAM. Okay, here we are cleaning up the RAM. Yeah, this is the RAM. Let me take a beautiful screenshot. Okay, you see, I took the wrong screenshot. So yeah, so right now I have around 1.5 GB available RAM. It was me, Umair,
Allah faham beli